Why do some people instantly command respect the moment they walk into a room without saying a word, while others are treated like dirt despite trying very hard to be polite? You probably think you need to be louder, smarter, or more aggressive to earn respect, but you're wrong. Psychology says the opposite. The reason people don't respect you isn't because you're not good enough. It's because you're sending hidden signals that say, "Please walk all over me." You explain too much, you overthink, you're too available, and you fear silence. Don't worry. Today, we'll fix that. We'll discover 5 psychological shifts based on behavioral science that will make people respect you. They won't do it because you demand it, but because your behavior leaves them no other choice. Here's the first mistake. You react too quickly. When someone is disrespectful or says something rude, you instinctively try to defend yourself right away. You get angry or try to explain why they're wrong. Psychology calls this emotional reactive behavior, and for manipulators, it's like the smell of blood. When you react immediately, you show them that they control your emotional state. They press a button and you jump. Next time, try the 3-second rule. When someone challenges you, don't speak. Stay silent and look them in the eye. Count to 3 in your head. Silence makes people uncomfortable. And even give a small smile. It shows you're analyzing them, not afraid of them. By pausing, you reverse the dynamics. You're no longer a puppet, you're an observer. Do you notice yourself giving long explanations for simple decisions? "I have work, I'm very tired," and "stop." Psychology shows that over-explaining is a trauma response. It shows you don't believe you have the right to make your own choices. You don't have to prove anything to anyone. If you find yourself giving someone a long explanation, write it in the comments and we'll fix it right away. Confident people don't jade, justify, argue, defend, or explain. If you don't want to do something, simply say, "That's not right for me." If they ask why, say, "I have other plans." When you explain, you're negotiating. When you express yourself concisely, you are setting a boundary. Strong boundaries don't need subheadings. The person who needs the relationship the least has the most power. This is known in sociology as the principle of least concern. If you are afraid of losing people, you will accept disrespect in order not to lose them, and they know it. Respect is earned the moment you show you're ready to walk away. If someone crosses the line, don't yell, don't write a long message, just turn your attention elsewhere. Withdrawal is a result. Arguments are just noise. When you show that your presence is not a guarantee, but a privilege, people start treating you like a reward, not an option. Are you always available? Do you respond to messages within 30 seconds? Scarcity creates value. This is a fundamental rule of economics, and it applies to people too. If you're always available, your time feels cheap. You don't have to play games, but you do need to prioritize your own life. Don't drop everything when your phone rings. Finish what you're doing. When people realize they can't reach you instantly, they subconsciously value the time they spend with you. Respect isn't something you beg for. Respect is a mirror. It reflects how you treat yourself. If you value your time, others will value it too. If you speak less and give weight to your words, others will listen to you. Choose one of these habits today. Maybe it's silence, maybe it's stepping away. Do it once and watch how the energy in the room changes. You are not invisible, you were just too loud. Silent power is the only lasting power. If you're ready to take control of your psychology, subscribe to the Stick Psychology channel. Let's bring out your strongest self.